Good morning from Bandha. Feroz Shakir, Sufi poet, Feroz Shakir, storyteller, Feroz Shakir, photographer number one. I thank all of you, my followers, subscribers, friends, acquaintances, for reaching a landmark of 100,000 videos uploaded on YouTube. I started this channel in 2008. I'm not very net savvy. During the pandemic, I could hardly shoot any videos. So what I did was, I went back to my Flickr albums. I was never much into videos. I used to mostly shoot stills. So what I did was, I downloaded those few albums: Hinduism, Sufism, Shiaism, Christianity, and I made them into slideshows. And basically, I'm a photojournalist. I am a documentarist. I don't like to hurt anybody, but I shoot diverse religion. I shoot rituals, culture, ethnicity, marginalized humanity, that is the beggars. I've got a playlist of Muslim beggars of India. All this is basically for educational purpose, for you all to understand how we live here. And not just black lives, all lives matter. I'm not into politics. I'm not into religious diatribe. I stay away from all that. And that is one of the reasons why I have disabled my comment box on YouTube, because of the hate, the perverse comments. I don't want at all. I don't want my mother to be abused, my sister to be abused, my daughters to be abused. I'm not interested in it. You don't like my stuff, fine. I'm not forcing you to see it. I'm not pushing my agenda. I'm not into any political party. I'm a Shia Muslim, but I'm a human being, more important. I'm not an Islamic channel. I am not an Islamic channel. I may be a Muslim, but I'm very different from the others, because I follow the path of truth. I follow the path of humanity. I stay away from mosques. I find more consolation in dargahs, the Sufi saints, and I document all this. I document exorcism, possession, all these things I've been documenting among Aghoris, among Sufis, and now I'm posting this video from the garden where I shoot. So this is the story. So once again, I thank all of you. And this, mind you, my channel is made in India. I only shoot India. I am an Indian. I am proud to be an Indian. As an Indian, you should not be interested about my religion or my sect or my ethnicity. I am happy with what I am. And my camera tells the truth. Thank you all. God bless you all.